To turn off or to disable the water lock on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is fairly simple. Now, water lock is a feature that normally just disables your watch face or touch screen so that any phantom touches that come maybe from the water or from clothing does not affect the watch. It also allows you to go swimming peacefully without you having any stress over your watch because it will eject any water that does somehow manage to enter the watch. Now, if you want to turn it off, you can't really get the screen to react. So what you're going to do is just long press on this home button, which is normally the one at the top, like so. And once all the water has been ejected or you just finished everything, you can just go ahead and confirm that you wish to switch it off and then select OK. And like that, you'll have successfully turned off the water lock. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.